We are talking today to chair of the mentoring committee, Mr. Ram Kumar. Mr. Ram Kumar was actually the founder of TiE Toronto. He's involved in TiE as well as specifically and been engaged in mentoring for the last 10 years. He has personally mentored a number of companies and works with a number of other mentors, primarily comprising of our charter members as well as other successful entrepreneurs and business leaders in Toronto area to bring mentoring to both TiEQuest contestants as well as other TiE members. So we'll ask Mr. Ram Kumar. Mr. Ram Kumar, thank you very much for coming and tell us about the mentoring process at TiE Toronto.
At TiE Toronto, we are fortunate that we have a large number of charter members who have a great deal of business experience, and they're willing to share this business experience with the entrepreneur who would like to benefit from that. So what we do is we try to match the skill sets required for each of the entrepreneurs with the skill sets the charter members have. And so we have regular sessions where these interaction can happen.
Okay. And how do you specifically match? There are about 200 entrepreneurs who participate in TiEQuest. So how does your matching process start?
I guess there are probably a couple of different things to look at. One is industry, domain knowledge is an important area. And the other thing that we find is that different companies could be in a different phase of development. Some companies may be looking for customer acquisition, some companies may be looking for financial needs. So depending on what their need is and what domain they operate in, we try to match that with our knowledge base internally.
No, TiEQuest has contestants from 22 different cities, some even from US. So how do you provide mentoring support to these contestants who are not in Toronto area?
When they're not in the Toronto area, then we try to do that more on a basis that the mentor and the mentee can communicate with each other through through long distance, through telephone, whatever the form is easier for them to do. So, and the other option we do have is TiE has connectivity around the globe. So if we can find people elsewhere that could be of benefit to them, we would certainly make that effort to find a mentor for them, which could be in their local area as well.
No, Mr. Ram Kumar, at every judging stage, some of the contestants do not qualify. And so are they also eligible for any mentoring support? And how do you help them?
That's a very good question, Suresh. One thing we do find is that TiEQuest is also a process. So very often people who don't qualify in 1 year do have the ability to improve and come back. So one thing we do is when you enter TiEQuest, you become a member of TiE, and you're entitled to TiE services of mentoring, irrespective of whether you do get moved to the next stage or not. Our hope is that the TiE entrants will stay engaged with us for a number of years and eventually become successful.